In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick poll using Surveymonkey. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a poll in Surveymonkey? You see, Surveymonkey doesn't specifically label anything as a poll, but don't worry, you can easily build one using a short survey, often with just one question and minimal design. This approach works wonderfully for real-time polling or quick opinion gathering. So, let's get started on creating that quick poll. First, you'll want to log into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, head over to the Create Survey option. You'll choose Start from Scratch, which allows you to make a survey from scratch naturally. Give it a name that's easy to remember. Something like Quick Poll works perfectly. Once you've done that, click on Create Survey to move forward. Next, let's add your poll question. Within the Design Survey section, click on the option to Add Question. If you're looking for a single-answer poll, a multiple-choice question is your best bet. For instance, you might ask, "What's your favorite drink?" But if you think respondents should have the option to choose more than one answer, go for checkboxes instead. Remember to keep it short and sweet. Usually, one question is all you need for a poll. Now, while this step is optional, you can choose to add a title, a logo, or any branding that might make your poll stand out. While editing your question, consider adding a descriptive title or even your organization's logo for that personalized touch. This step is particularly handy if you want to add instructions or highlight specific information above the question. With your poll's design ready, it's time to collect responses. Navigate to the Collect Responses tab. Here you'll find several collection methods to choose from. One straightforward option is the web link. You simply copy the link and share it via chat, email, or even on social media. Alternatively, you might decide to embed the poll directly into a web page. And if your target respondents are part of a smaller group, consider using the email invitation feature, which allows you to send the poll individually and track who responds. Finally, let's talk about viewing the results. In the Analyze Results section, you'll notice that responses appear in real time, complete with visual charts and summary statistics. This is particularly beneficial for live polls or any situation where quick decision-making is necessary. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to use Surveymonkey to conduct quick polls and gather those all-important opinions. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this. See you next time.